Safety. In preparation for rigging the machine, there are many items and procedures that must be utilized to ensure the safety of the rigging crew. Appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, should be used by all crew members during applicable procedures. Crew PPE should include hard hats, safety glasses, safety shoes, earplugs in loud noise areas, gloves as needed, OSHA or ANSI approved ladders, safety harnesses when above heights of 4 feet, seat belts when using fork trucks, lifts, or any motorized machinery. PPE requirements may vary at different facilities. However, per Milacron standards, all PPE must be used as necessitated by each procedure. Integral to job safety is communication. Noise levels at some facilities and the use of ear protection may make it difficult to hear the communications of crew members. The use of hand signals is an important and effective way to communicate with crew members. Some examples are shown.